First, open Google Drive and upload your video. Click New, then choose File Upload and select your video. Once the upload is complete, right-click the video file and click Share. Now change the access so anyone with the link can view it. After that, click Copy Link to copy the shareable link. Next, open your browser and go to goqr.me. On the website, select the Website/URL option. Now paste your Google Drive video link into the link field. As soon as you paste it, the QR code will generate automatically. After that, you can either download the QR code image or copy it. Now you can share this QR code on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere you want, and people can scan it to open your video. And that's it. That's how you make a QR code for a video. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.